Hey guys, today we have two very special tripods. This is the original SmallRig X Potato Jet TRIBEX, and this is the brand new SmallRig X Potato Jet TRIBEX SE. Now, what makes these tripods different from almost every tripod I've tested before? Is this crazy hydraulic X clutch system? And honestly, this might be one of the most satisfying tripod system ever made. Before we start, if you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests and filmmaking content like this, make sure to subscribe because I upload new videos every single week here on Rappi Samstil. Let's start with the original TRIBEX. Immediately, the first thing I notice is how premium the feels. This one uses carbon fiber construction, so it already feels more professional and more cinema focused. And bro, look at the deployment speed. This hydraulic system lets you extend all the tripod legs almost instantly. Now, let's move to the next TRIBEX SE. This one is still the same hydraulic X-clutch system, but this version is most designed for creators, vloggers, troubleshooters, and lightweight setups. And honestly, this is so satisfying to use. Now, side by side, the original TRIBEX definitely feels more premium. The carbon fiber body feels stronger, lighter, and more professional. The fluid head also feels more advanced for another cinematic movement. But the TRIBEX SE feels more practical for daily creator use. It's simple, cleaner, more compact, and honestly easier for travel workflow.
Take me where you wanna go down. Grab a seat, sign a check. You know that I'm the one that you want. You know it. You know. And every time that you're moving close, you gravitate to my body. I know everything that you want and I want it.
One thing I noticed though, because they use hydraulic system, you probably want to avoid heavy sand, dirt, and muddy environment too much. Some reviews also mention that dirt and sand can affect the smooth hydraulic movement over time. So for me, personally, I think this is perfectly for creators, events, weddings, studio works, and travel filmmakers.
But it's the same face, different state when you call. They know about it.
So which one should you buy? For the original TRIBEX, buy the original if you use heavier setup, professional client work, cinematic rigs, large lenses, and commercial productions. For the TRIBEX SE, buy it if you are travel a lot, you vlog, you want portability, you use mirrorless cameras, and you want faster daily workflow. So, that's it for today. Which one would you choose? The original TRIBEX or the TRIBEX SE? Comment below because I really want to know your thoughts. And again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
Gonna take a lot to